What is life? Quiz. Directions. What are the 6 characteristics of living things? Write the correct word phrase from the parentheses to complete the sentences in numbers 1 to 6. Number 1. They are made of one or more cells or bacteria. Number 2. The cells are made of lipids or chemicals. Number 3, they all use proteins or energy. Number 4, they react to stimuli behavior. Number 5, they grow, generate, and develop or feed on others. Number 6, they reproduce or breed. For numbers 7 to 11, use the word bank to list the 5 needs of living things. Not all the words will be used. Food, energy, cells, living space, water, chemicals, gas exchange, reproduction, growth, homeostasis. Questions 12 and 13. Directions. Label the stimulus and response in the pictures on the lines below. Questions 14 and 15. Circle the correct multiple choice. Question 14. Growth is A. Gaining weight over time. B. Getting larger in size. 15. Development is when an organism becomes more complex. B. Reproduction. For questions 16 through 20, we've reviewed the following vocabulary terms in class. Write the letter of the term next to its definition. The choices are A. Eukaryote, B. Multicellular, C. Organism, D. Prokaryote, E. Unicellular. 16. A living thing. 17. A living thing whose cells do not contain a nucleus. 18. A living thing whose cells have a nucleus containing DNA. 19. Describing a living thing made of only one cell. 20. Describing a living thing made of many cells. For questions 21 through 23, the following scientists contributed to the formation of the cell theory. Write the letter of the scientist's name next to his discovery. Your choices are A. Robert Hooke, B. Theodore Schwann, C. Rudolf Virchow. 21. He looked at cork and saw dead cells for the first time under a microscope. 22. He discovered that all cells come from other cells. 23. He discovered that all animals are made of cells. For 24 and 25, use the words in the word bank to answer the following questions. 24. The kingdom that contains multicellular autotrophic organisms with eukaryotic cells is in the blank kingdom. 25. The kingdom that contains multicellular heterotrophic organisms with eukaryotic cells is in the blank kingdom. Your choices: animal and plant. For questions 26 and 27, you're circling the correct answers about Reddy's experiment. Here is a recap of the experiment. Reddy had jars of meat. One jar was open and one was closed. Maggots appeared only in the closed or open jar. Circle 1. Maggots came from flies or meat. Circle 1. For question 28 and 29, label the heterotrophs and autotrophs in the pictures on the lines below. For questions 30 to 32, you are filling in the parts of the cell theory. Unit, cells, only, function, living cells. Question 1. All living things are made up of one or more. A cell is the basic blank of structure and blank of a living thing. Cells come blank from other blank. The end.